How's it going, guys? It's your boy Jeremy's back here one more time with another video, and today I will show you guys how to peel off a boiled egg like a fucking bad man, son. So let's start this bitch off in a G-Wagon and that. Firstly, get yourself an egg, guys. I would eventually suggest going to a farm at night and stick your hand up a sleeping chicken's ass and maybe rob one of his eggs. Or you can just visit a shop. I mean, at the end of the day, it's your choice really. Just do whatever you want, fam. Secondly, boil the fucking egg with some warm water in a pan. I just use my mom's, but you guys can be creative with this. I mean, no pressure at all, fam. Thirdly, put the boiled egg on a plate and get a knife and start peeling or chopping the skin off the boiled egg just like this. I mean, at the end of the day, it ain't no biggie, lads. And finally, at last, get a bloody fork and another knife and just cut the egg and eat it sukabliat. I mean, come on guys, this is almost as easy as smuggling children into a pedophile ring. I mean, Jeffrey Epstein, Bill Clinton and Prince Andrew eventually know a lot about this shit, so just go and ask him, innit? But also, the Jeffrey Epstein Netflix documentary is quite interesting to watch, so guys, if you got any time to kill, feel free to go and watch it, it's quite cool. But anyways guys, this is how to peel a boiled egg, and it is quite an easy process really. You just have to know what to do really, quite simple. And that is it for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon with another video. So until then, adios.